I can make you earn 1 million francs CFA as a junior software engineer in Cameroon. I've never told this thing to anyone, but trust me, it works like magic. I've neither shared it on the internet before, but in this video, I'm going to tell you how. At the beginning of my career, I met this Cameroonian lady. Brave, intelligent, beautiful, and above all, a millionaire in the software engineering industry. Impressed by her success story, I wanted to get the secret. She gave me a rendezvous at her house, and when I got there, at first sight, I was amazed at the luxurious house she had. We sat down, got some coffee, and when I was comfortable, she looked at me and said, "Milen, I will tell you something, but don't repeat it to anyone. This information is very important and you can make millions out of it." Curious and excited of what this magic success formula was, I looked at her. She looked back at me, and guess what she told me? "Tu vas Lille, allons travailler."